Hi, this is Thomas with CMC Tech. Today I'm going to show you one of our software called Alpr Lite. It's a software for automatic capturing license plates. What you're looking at here is the Alpr Lite client interface, which shows you what's being captured live. You can see there's a box here with the images that actually captured by our license plate camera. We have a Solar 120. This vehicle is about 120 feet away from our camera, and the image on the right side is the actual image from the plate that we crop out from the camera, and you can see the reading is right here. And the 10-9-10 is just what we name our camera, because that's our street address. 10-9-10 Stan Kip Road. You can name whatever you want. Here's how you go in and look at the recorded results. Previous images. You go here. It basically opens up your the folder that you created, and you're going to see 10-9-10, and you go in here. It's 2014 and October, and today is the 29th. Now in this folder you'll find a text file, a text document that you can open this up. You see the date, the time, and the reading of a plate. Right here it says unauthorized, gate closed. This software has a access control feature. If you see the plate that we preset into the database, it will actually trigger a GPIO and open a gate. I'll go into that next time, okay? But basically what it does is the software will date and time and also the plate number, save it into a text file. Every day it will create a folder under, this main folder is 10-9-10, and then the year, the month, and the date. And then you have all bunch of images that all the images that saved. They are saved from the software. This is one way how we save the image. You have an overview of the image from the license plate camera and a crop out of that image. This is an optional display of the image that we actually read, which they from the plate. So sometimes it's not really necessary to have this overlay. So you have an option to turn that off, and it will give you an image like this, which just give you one single image with the plates, with the vehicle on it. And the readout, you will have it will save as a file name also, year, day, time, and the plate number, which is this plate number. Then you can go. We also have this image. If you don't have it, if you set it not to overlay on the overview image, you can save it, crop it out, and save it as a separate file. Some people like to merge as one file, like this one, just to save some space, but I personally prefer two separate. So in case, see, like this particular case, the actual vehicle was being blocked. The actual image was blocked by the overlay image, so that's no good. So I like it, have it two separate files. You have one, which is the actual file, and then you have the reading part of it. The reason we use the reading as the file name is so you can search it under Windows, just like how you find a file. So you type in the license plate number and you can find it. You just do a file search and that will be part of the file to find the image. Or you can go to this text file and you can export it or open up with Excel or Access and create your own database. as I said, this what you're looking at. This is the client interface, meaning it's for you to watch what's happening from the license plate camera. You do have an option to turn it on so you can see live images on the side. This is what we're looking at. The camera, there's no car right now, but later on if you see a car pass by, and that would just being captured right here. But this is just a interface. Is you can have this turn off, and now I can just turn off the software. But the reading is still going on in the background as a service. So you can save a lot of resource by not watching the kind software interface, because if you look at the CPU usage on this Dell i7 computer, we are only utilizing about 6-7%, 12 if there's a plate shows up during the reading, about 12%. When it's that's not doing OCR, is under 10% utilization. As I said, the client software, if you are not doing any live monitoring, you can have that turned off. Okay, I just log in back to the client software. Now this client software, you can manage multiple ALPR scanner, meaning you can have this software install a computer that does not have a camera attached to it. So you can have a client and you can have a server, meaning you can have multiple license plate scanner and then manage with one client software. You can change a lot of configurations here. You can add multiple units, and you can also, these are we call the scanner unit. I'm using this one computer as scanning software, scanning machine, and also the management machine. But you can have two separate machines, or you can have 3 scanner and 1 management computer, and you can manage them here. You can add it, and then you can manage the remote unit from here. Okay, I'm gonna pull that unit up. So say right now I only have 1 unit, and you can group them, put them in a group, but right now I only have 1 unit. Say CMC tech unit, I have 1 camera, and I just pull out that camera, and I can manage that that unit from here, called remote manage, and name the unit, the country code. This is where I'm going to save the image, and this is called a share folder, where we dump all the images in it, and we can do a network share. Just a connection port, that's what we use. Physical location. Now here's where we can add multiple cameras. You can, depends on the CPU speed, you can have 4 or 5 or 8 cameras attached to each unit, and you can add the camera here. Now the account, this is the GPIO control. Like if you want to do open the gate automatically for a vehicle, we can put in the vehicle here, say like this particular vehicle, plate number, the VIN number of the vehicle, make, model, color, and the state, the model year. You can add the vehicle, and this vehicle, when it sees this plate, the camera sees the plate, it will trigger a GPIO and open the gate. And you can also add an account, say this guy called Joe Maglock. We can add this person, because one person can have multiple vehicles. So we can add this person and assign a vehicle to it. So when it opens up, we can know who's coming in, what time they come in, and automatically open the gates for them. And that's related to this file right here, the text file, because if it's authorized, it will say authorized and gate open if that particular vehicle comes in. If there's any questions or anything, feel free to give me a call or email me. Okay? Thank you.